What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change the design of your buttons in Shopify store. So currently you can see that on my screen I have this thumbnail, and here this is the simple button, and on the right hand side we have the button, and around this we have some colorful bubbles. Alright, so these are actually attracting the customers because this is an outstanding design, and you have no need to worry about the coding because I have already did the code. You only need to copy and paste, and then you are done with everything. So here I have given the link to download the code, and then after I have given some instructions to follow. So you should watch the video, and then after it would be more easier for you. Alright, so once you are downloading the code, actually I will be adding the link below in the description for this specific blog post. So you have to you will be finding in the in the description. So you should click over it, and then you will be getting this specific blog. Alright, first of all you need to download, and then after let me show you on my cart page. For example, here you can see that this is the checkout page, and on once I am hovering over it, then there are some bubbles which are around this specific button. Alright, so how you can implement? So let me show you. If you are refreshing this page, then these are gone. Why? Because I have removed this specific code. So now I will be adding it again step by step. So first of all you need to go to your Shopify dashboard, then after you should click on actions and then click on edit code. So once you are clicking on edit code, then after you have to follow some instructions. So once you are downloading the code, then you will be getting some files. So one file name is document.txt. So here I have added some instructions, like first of all you need to create some files like in the assets folder and in snippets folder. So let me tell you. So these are the folders. So first folder is snippets, and here you need to click on add a new snippet. So then after you should add the name of this specific button, like my dash smart dash button dot liquid, and then paste it over here, and then create snippet. Alright, then after second file is CSS file, which is my dash custom dash CSS dot CSS. So what I am going to do is click on assets, then click on add a new asset, then choose file, and I have already, you will have downloaded those files, so I am going to upload that one. So my dash custom dash style dot CSS, so I have uploaded that one, and now click on upload assets. Now you are done with both these things, and we are interested to add the code inside my dash smart dash button dot liquid. So here you will see that in the folders we have some files. So my dash smart dash button dot liquid, once you are opening this, then you need to copy this specific code and then paste it in the my dash smart dash button dot liquid file, and then click on save. Alright, so this was the second thing. Now the final thing is just follow the instructions again. You should include the CSS file in theme.liquid file. Alright, so just open the theme.liquid file. You should go to layouts folder and then click on theme.liquid, and then after you should scroll it down, and you can see that on the top we have a head tag, and there will be a closing head tag. So on the bottom here you can see that we have closing head tag. Just before this head tag you should include that specific CSS file. So let me show you. You should copy this specific line from here and then paste it just before head tag. So I pasted that line and then click on save. Now everything is done, and we need to improve our buttons now. So how we will be doing that? You should find out the cart button and product page add to cart button. So click on templates, then you can see that we have cart dash liquid, and we have another product dot liquid. So if you are clicking on product dot liquid, then once you are hovering over it, sometimes you will be getting the product template code on the same page, but sometimes in some of the themes you will have to click on this arrow, and you will be opening this specific this kind of information, which is like code of the product page. So here you need to find the add to cart button. So here you can see that I have this add to cart button, and now I am going to paste some code which is like this one. So this is actually the code which I have already added, but this needs to be included to improve the design of the button. So before closing tag of this button, so you can see that we have this button tag, and this is opening, and this is closing button tag. Inside of it you need to paste. That's it. So just click on save, and for example you are refreshing this page again, and see the effect is now working. So that means we have implemented product page, and now we have pending cart page. So you need to click on cart.liquid file, and here you can see that we have all the things. So we need to find checkout page. So here you need to write checkout. So down below you can see that we have this button of checkout. Alright, so inside of this, actually this is the closing tag and this is the opening tag. So inside of this button you need to add that same code. So make sure that just before this closing tag you should include that. So I pasted that code again here, and then click on save. So this specific code is same for product page and the cart page. Alright, so once you are done, then click on save, and now let me refresh this page. Currently you can see that we don't have any kind of effect on checkout page. So if I'm refreshing this page, and now let's hover over it, and now you can see that those bubbles are coming out. So that means we are done with our part, which is creating the smart button. So how easy this is, as you know that there is a bunch of code which I already did, and you have no need to worry about at all. You only need to copy and paste, and then you are done with everything. Alright, so hope you liked this video. So if you are thinking that this is useful for you, and for more videos, so you should subscribe the channel and also like this specific video. And if you have any question or this is not working in your theme, so you should ask me the questions below in the comment section. I will definitely try my best to reply you as soon as possible. So if you have any specific idea that this is the specific problem where I need to create a video, so you should also suggest me, because in that way I could able to help you out in solving that problem. Alright, so keep watching the videos. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.